All right, we're taking a look at a lawsuit that has been filed against the Bryan County Sheriff's Office. It's landed them hot water. A woman recently filed the federal lawsuit against the Bryan County Sheriff's Office after she says she was falsely arrested by a deputy that took instant coffee as heroin during a traffic stop that dated back to 2022. The woman has been identified as Lesly Canales. She was originally driving on I-95 through Bryan County on December 11th, 2022, when she was pulled over for speeding and failing to maintain her lane. Deputies decided to search her vehicle, which she agreed to, and they found a bag of coffee in her car during the stop. The woman says in her mind, she's thinking, this looks like some movie stuff. Stuff she's only seen happen in a movie. I don't do stuff like that, the woman said. I have too much to lose. The lawsuit filed against the Bryan County Sheriff's Office names Sheriff Mark Crowe and several deputies. It says, despite the woman telling officers the substance was coffee, deputies field tested it and received a positive results for heroin. The woman was arrested on 8 charges, including drug trafficking, despite the absence of any heroin use objects. The first thing the woman said, it's my word against their word. They're cops and I'm nobody, as she spoke to us. After her arrest, the Georgia Bureau of Investigation lab tested the substance and found it contained no controlled substance. The lawsuit says despite deputies being aware of the lab results, the heroin charges were not immediately dropped. The woman spent over a month in the Bryan County Jail until her bond on the drug trafficking charge was reduced and she could pay it. This happened around the holidays, and she missed her daughter's first Christmas, her daughter's first New Year's, all for something she didn't even do. The lawsuit alleges the drug charge wasn't dismissed until an assistant district attorney on the judicial circuit viewed the GBI lab report with the woman over a year and a half later in July 2024. The lawsuit also claims the sheriff's office under Sheriff Crowe does not currently supply officers with the appropriate narcotic field testing kits. The woman is seeking a trial and compensation for lost time, lost wages, and other damages. She eventually pled guilty to speeding, but all other charges against her were dropped. What do you think? Was this reasonable on the part of the Bryan County Sheriff's Office? Tell us in the comments below.